See friends, today's puzzle. There are 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F and G attended marriage in 7 days of a week, Sunday to Saturday, not necessarily in the same order. B attends marriage after E. Number of persons between D and E is 1 less than the number of persons between D and B. Only one person attend marriage between A and C. Number of persons attend marriage before D is equal to number of persons attend marriage after G. B attends marriage immediately before F. A attends marriage before Wednesday. G attends marriage after D. See friends, while reading the problem itself, we have to come across some points. See friends, what he has given, there are 7 persons attended a marriage in a week starting from Sunday to Saturday. First sentence, B attends marriage after E. See friends, B attends marriage after E. That means there are number of possibilities are there. So you just leave it. Number of persons between D and E is 1 less than the number of persons between D and B. See friends, this also you leave it because we cannot take the possibilities also from this sentence because what he has said, number of persons between D and E is 1 less than the number of persons between D and F, B. There are number of possibilities also here. Take next one. Only one person attend marriage between A and C. See friends, only one person attend marriage between A and C. Here we may get 2-3 possibilities. What he has given? See friends, what he has given? Only one person attend marriage between A and C. That means we will get some possibilities here. See friends, A and C, only one person attended the marriage. It may be like this also. And C, next one. Number of persons attend marriage before D is equal to number of persons attended marriage after G. See friends, number of persons attended marriage before D is equal to number of persons attended marriage after G. From this sentence also we will get some possibilities. We will keep this one also. This sentence is second sentence we will keep. Next one. B attends marriage immediately before F. This one also you will keep. B attends. See friends, this is the series. Sunday to Saturday. So what he has given, B attends marriage immediately before F. Immediately before F. B attends immediately before F. A attends marriage before Wednesday. See friends, A attends marriage before Wednesday. That means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We don't know. 3 chances are there. A attends marriage before Wednesday. That means either Sunday or Monday or Tuesday. G attends marriage after D. See friends, G attends marriage after D. See friends, why I am telling you to read the problem? This sentence, see, number of persons attended marriage before D is equal to number of persons attended marriage after G. And G attends marriage after D. That means this sentence like this come, not immediate. There may be a chance. See friends, now we will go to the assumptions. First this one we will take. A and C. First we will draw a diagram. Seven days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See friends, three possibilities are there: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So three we will draw. Here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. First, if you think that A is on Sunday, that C will come on Tuesday. Next, suppose A is on Monday, C will come on Wednesday. Suppose A will come on Tuesday, C will come on Thursday. See friends, we don't know who will come. A, C, A, like that also will come, because he didn't mention anywhere about the relation between C and A, who attend first, who attended next. So here, suppose if you think A here, there is no chance of C coming before A. Here also, because one person should be there, here also only one place is there. No, so no chance is there for C to attend before A. You just check here. If you keep A on Tuesday, there may be a chance for C on Thursday or Sunday. So you go for next diagram also. This also possible sentence. See friends, from here there are four possible diagrams are there. So next I told you na, second we will take this one because some possibilities are there. Number of persons attend marriage before D is equal to number of persons attend marriage after G. See friends, and D is coming before G. That means first you will take here. Definitely number of persons after D equal to number of persons before G. That means if you keep D here, we should keep G here, because after D how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before G how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this sentence is correct. So is there any other chances here? If you keep D here, 1, 2, 3 places are there. So here only 3 places are there. There is no chance to keep D. Next, you go to the next sentence. See friends, if you keep D here, then G should come here. One more chance also there. See friends, if you keep D here, 1, 2 places are there. And if you keep G here, 1, 2 places are there. See friends, I will tell you. Same, A, C. We have keep on D on Sunday, G on Saturday. There is one more chance. D, if you keep here, G we should keep here. See friends, what he has given? Number of persons attended after D equal to number of persons attended before G. That means after D how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Before G how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one also possibility. Next one you check this one. A, C. So D will come here, G will come here. Next one more possibility also there. We can keep D here, then G will come here. See friends. A, C. Then if D will come here, then G will come here. What he has given? After D, number of persons are equal to before G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before G how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are no other possibilities. See friends, nothing is there. After this easily we will get the answer. See friends, what he has given here? D attends marriage immediately before F. That means B attends immediately before F. That means both B and F should come immediate. See here only here one chance is there. 2 places are empty, immediate places. So if you keep B here, F should be here. And one more chance he has given. B attends marriage after E. See friends, B attends marriage after E. That means the relation between E and B should be like this. See friends, here we have kept B and F, then only one place is empty. Then E should be here. See friends, but E and B, E should attend before F, before B. Here this sentence is not correct. So this is the wrong. If you keep B and F here, because he is telling that immediate, then E should be here. So this is okay because E is attending marriage before F. See friends, B attends marriage after E. B attends marriage after E. So this is a possibility. Here no immediate places are empty. Here one. So there is no chance of B and F because B and F are immediate. So this is also wrong. See friends, here, sorry, I have not kept here D and G. Here D, here G will come. Then here two chances are there. Sorry, one chance is there. If you keep B here, then F will be here. Then E should be here. But what is here? E always comes before B or B after E. But here this sentence is not correct. Then you keep B, F. Then only one place is empty. Here it is E. So here E comes before B. B comes after E. So this is also possibility. Then see, here no two places are, immediate places are empty. So there is no chance of B and F. So this is also not correct. Only two possibilities are there. This one and this one. Now you come to this. Number of persons between D and E is 1 less than the number of persons between D and B. See friends, D and E, D and B. What he is telling? The number of persons between D and E is 1 less than the number of persons between D and B. See friends, here you calculate. Number of persons between D and E, how much? 1. Between D and B? Between D and B, 3. So difference is 2. So less than 2. But what he is telling? Only 1 less. Number of persons between D and E is 1 less than the number of persons between D and B. But here 2 is there. So this is also not correct. You check this one. Here between D and E, how many persons are there? 1. Between D and B, how many persons are there? 2. What is the difference here? 1. So this sentence also correct. So answer is this one. See friends, in the examination, if you go this procedure, it is a time consuming process. If you practice number of times, then we will get easily. See friends, how fast we can do it, I will tell you. What he has given, first we have to read the problem. Then we have to find which sentence is the more chance to keep first. Then I have taken that all he has given clearly that A will come before Wednesday. That means 3 chances will be there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sorry, this won't come. Then if A will come here, C will come. If A will come, C will come. If A will come here, C will come here. See friends, next chance also will be there. Because if A come here, C will come here. Because he didn't mention anywhere about the relation between A and C, which will come before, which will come after. Then I have taken this one. Next, what he has told here, number of persons attended marriage before D is equal to number of persons attend marriage after G. And also given that G attends marriage after D. G attends marriage after D. That means D will come first. What he has given? Number of persons attend marriage before D is equal to number of persons attend marriage after G. See friends, first D, if you place here D, then G will come here. Then is there any other possibility here? No. Go to the next one. Here if you place D, you place G will here. Then one more chance also will come here. A, C. If you keep D here, then G will come here. Then there are no other chances. Go to the next one. See friends, if you keep D here, then G will come here. Then one more chance will be there. A, C. If you keep D here, then G will come here. Here, see friends, if you keep D here, then G will come here. So there are no other chances. So what he has given? B attends marriage immediately before F. Immediately before F means we have to check, is there any two days, consecutive 2 days empty? Here is there, here is there. Here there are no consecutive 2 days. So this is not correct. Here also not correct. So here if you keep B and F like this, then one more E is there. E should be here. But what he has given? B attends marriage after E. But here before E. So this is not correct. So you keep here B, F. Then E should be here. This is correct because E attends marriage before B. B attends marriage after E. This sentence is correct. So this is the one chance. If you keep here B, F, then E will come here. Then this is also not correct because E attending after B. But what he has given? E should attend before B. Then this is also not correct. Then if you keep B, F here, then E should be here. This is also correct because E attends before B. B attends after E. B attends after E. Here no consecutive days are empty. So this is not correct. So there are two possibilities are there. This one and this one. But what he has given? Number of persons attend marriage before D. Sorry. Number of persons between D and E is 1 less than the number of persons between D and B. See friends, D and E, how many persons are here? 1. D and B, how many are there? 3. Difference is 2, but what he has given, difference should be 1. So this is also not correct. Go to here. E and D, only 1 person. D and B, 2 persons. So difference is 1. So this is the correct. Nothing is there. If you practice number of times, easily we will get the answer. Then automatically that 5 marks we will get it.